Do you feel like no matter how much you clean, your home never stays tidy? Piles keep forming. Clothes, dishes, papers. Chaos keeps creeping back. It's exhausting, right? But what if I told you it's not your energy, your willpower, or your discipline that's failing? It's your system, the invisible way your daily habits create clutter without you even noticing. In Japan, many homes never get messy, not because people work harder, but because small habits quietly keep disorder from taking over. Today, I'll show you 10 Japanese habits that make a home calm and organized without stress or massive cleaning sessions. And you can start using them today, wherever you live. One-touch rule: stop unfinished tasks from haunting you. Ever notice how a chair with clothes on it makes your mind feel heavy, even if you try to ignore it? In many Japanese homes, when you finish using something, it goes back immediately. Take off a jacket gives hang it on its hook. Drink tea gives rinse or put the cup away. Psychologists call this an open loop. Leaving items out creates unfinished visual tasks that tug at your attention. Close the loop immediately, and objects never become tomorrow's problem. Try it with one category first: keys, bags, or dishes. Make putting things away part of the action. The space feels calmer instantly, not because you cleaned more, but because fewer tasks are left unresolved. Boundary at the door: keep outside, chaos outside. Did you know most mess starts before it even enters your home? In Japanese homes, the entrance is a clear boundary. Shoes come off. Dirt stays outside. The home stays protected. Even without a traditional entryway, a mat, a small shoe area, or indoor slippers creates the same effect. Benefits: floors stay cleaner. Dust spreads less. Cleaning happens less often. And mentally, stepping inside becomes a pause. A shift from outside chaos to a calm, cared-for space. Ownership with purpose: only keep what earns its place. Most clutter isn't random. It's items with no home or purpose. In Japan, possessions are responsibilities. Anything without a clear role often creates disorder. Before bringing something home, people ask, where will this live? What will it do? If there's no answer, it usually stays out. Not minimalism, just foresight. Try this: empty a drawer or shelf. Put back only items with a clear purpose. That space stops becoming messy almost immediately. Tiny maintenance: stop mess before it grows. Cleaning doesn't have to take hours if you do it in seconds. Instead of waiting for big messes, many Japanese homes clean in micro moments. Wipe a counter while water boils. Rinse the sink immediately. Wipe mirrors before spots dry. Each action takes less than a minute. Alone, it seems small. Together, it prevents buildup. You're not starting to clean, you're adding seconds to what you already do. Mess never grows out of control, and your home stays in a calm, steady state. Everything has an address. Stop decision fatigue from messing you up. Ever leave your keys or remote in a random spot and forget where it is later? In Japanese homes, every object has an address, a defined home. Decision fatigue is a hidden reason clutter happens. When an item has a clear place, returning it takes one movement, no thinking. Start small: remotes, chargers, kitchen tools. Make returning them standard surfaces stop becoming temporary parking lots, and tidying becomes automatic. Use vertical space. Let your walls work for you. Mess often piles up horizontally, but what if you could lift it out of the way? Limited space in Japanese homes encourages vertical storage. Hooks for bags and coats. Shelves above counters. Hanging organizers for small items. Benefits: cleaning is easier. Rooms feel larger. Visual order improves. Even a few hooks or a narrow shelf can transform clutter-prone areas. Reset the kitchen as you cook. No mess left behind. Cooking doesn't have to end in a huge pile of dishes. In many Japanese kitchens, cleaning happens alongside cooking. Rinse utensils while ingredients simmer. Wipe spills immediately. Clear packaging before the next step. By the time the meal is done, the kitchen is almost back to normal. Keep a cloth nearby and use small pauses to reset. Cooking stays calm, and cleanup never feels overwhelming. Scheduled resets catch clutter before it grows. Waiting until mess explodes wastes time and energy. Rather than cleaning only when overwhelmed, Japanese households practice planned resets monthly, seasonally, or at personal milestones. During these resets, clutter is reviewed, storage is adjusted, hidden dust is cleaned. The predictable routine keeps small messes from growing into major problems and creates a mental sense of renewal. Protect empty surfaces, make clutter stand out immediately. A cluttered surface steals calm from your mind without you noticing. Open tables and counters give the eyes rest and make cleaning faster. When only a few intentional items are out, a plant, lamp, or bowl, random clutter stands out immediately. Try it. Clear one surface completely for a week. Keep only what is used daily or truly meaningful. Feel how much calmer the space becomes. Keep less, but care for it well. Clarity over quantity. Having too much is the real hidden cause of constant mess. Japanese homes focus on alignment, not emptiness. Keep items that are used, appreciated, or meaningful. Gradually release what isn't. Fewer items equals fewer decisions, fewer storage problems, fewer things falling out of place. Before bringing something new home, think, where will this live? How often will I use it? That tiny moment prevents years of quiet clutter. A tidy home doesn't come from bursts of motivation. It comes from systems that make disorder inconvenient and order natural. Even adopting one or two of these habits can transform how your space feels and how you feel moving through it. Which habit will you try first? Comment below. And if you want Japanese self-care habits that actually work, your next step is watching this video. Which of these 10 habits feels the easiest for you to start this week? Pick one habit from this video that you will test for 7 days. Type it below like this: I'm committing to the underscore rule. I'll come back in a week and ask how it went. Let's make calm automatic.